Hi, this is Matt from AutoDrill at drill-hq.com. That's drill-hq.com. AutoDrill will increase efficiency and productivity in your company with industrial, automatic drills, and multiple spindle heads. Today at AutoDrill, drill-hq.com, this is a 17 spindle woodworking head with a 25mm center to center. This AutoDrill multiple spindle head accurately drills 17 holes simultaneously, saving a significant amount of time, lowering production costs, and eliminating error and hole spacing for this customer. The spindles on this unit are 10mm quick change of the B variety. All AutoDrill fixed multiple spindle heads are designed to drill press or the AutoDrill. If drilling holes manually is dangerous, time-consuming, difficult, lacking consistency or accuracy, contact AutoDrill for a quote at www.drill-hq.com. We can be emailed direct at sales@autodrill.com, toll free by phone at 800-871-5022 or internationally at 01-908-542-0244. We are happy to provide assistance with any of your drilling needs. Thanks for watching our video.